Hi everyone and welcome back to the Shabby Doll House. My name is Laura. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I want to thank each and every one of you for being here and for watching my last video. Thanks for all of your sweet comments, and to all of my new subscribers, I appreciate you so much. I had no idea that so many of you would be interested in a tutorial for this. There are so many other tutorials out there for a snippet roll. But I'm here today to show you how I do mine. You will only need snippets of lace, tulle, a strip of fabric for your base. And I'm not going for perfection here. This is just going to be a sewn snippet roll that's not perfect. It's going to be perfectly imperfect. So I'm going to sew mine, but you can just glue yours. You can use your Fabri-Tac glue, your tacky glue, whatever glue you have on hand, or you can even slow stitch it. So you're only going to need a strip of fabric, and it can be any size you wish. This one's almost 3 inches and almost a yard long. And all of these little pieces of laces, whatever you have, any size, some tulle, and this is strips of some lace that I had left over. And what I did was I just made a ruffle with it. I'm going to try to make it exactly like I did this one. So I'm going to get my sewing machine out and I will be right back. Alright, so the very first thing that I'm going to do is add my tulle. Now I don't try to sew straight, it doesn't really matter, but I do want to sew this directly down the middle. That way I have room on the sides to put snippets under it. So I'm just kind of scrunching it a little bit. And I have it on zigzag stitch. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and sew down our tulle first. Now if you want to skip this part, you can. I'm not going to fast forward it. I'm just doing it in real time. I'm going to go ahead and get another strip here. That's all I'm going to do is sew this down first, piece by piece. Okay. Get our other piece here. You can see that this one's a lot thinner than the other ones. So what I may do is add 2 at one time. Let's see if I have another thin strip. Yeah. So I'm just going to add both of these. Whoops. It almost got me. Okay. I think I only have this one piece left, which is okay. We're almost to the end. Okay. Okay, so we are done with the tulle, and that's what it looks like so far. You can see that it's uneven and it's not perfect. Now if you want it to be more perfect looking, you can cut the sides, but I like the pieces hanging off. So now we are going to start adding our laces. And it can be any which way you want it. All right, let's get our other piece here. Get this pretty piece. I actually like these on the edge. So what I'm going to do is just sew it right in the middle, right here. Now I have a piece of this crocheted doily that I had cut. I'm going to add that piece. Okay. So see, it's so simple and easy to do. I'm going to add this piece here. All right. I think we'll add this one here. Now this one I'm going to put underneath the tulle. All right. And this is just a little piece of a ruffle I had made. I'm going to go ahead and just add that up here. All right. Let's add this little piece right here. We'll put that underneath the tulle as well, like I did the other one. Okay. I just like the way it looks behind the tulle there. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Show you what we have so far. We're almost to the end. So this is what it looks like so far. So the pieces, the areas that I have that don't have any lace, we're going to go back and add some more little pieces. So I'm going to lift up this tulle here. Oops. And add a piece of lace. This one's kind of big, so I'm just going to sew it right on top of that one. Okay. See, we have some more spots here. I'm going to add a piece right there. See? That looks so pretty already, doesn't it? And we've only been working on this 10 minutes. Add that there under the tulle with the ruffle just barely sticking out. Okay. So we didn't get quite to the end of this, but since the video is getting kind of long, I'm sure you don't want to keep seeing me sew on the pieces, so you get the drift. You see what I'm saying and doing. So the very last thing I'm going to do is sew on that pretty pink ruffle. Okay. Just trying to make sure it's not all twisted up. It's a little twisted there. Now we are finished. You see how easy and simple that was to do? So now if you wanted to, you could add your buttons, your different embellishments. You can see it's not perfect. And if you add, you know, your images and stuff, you're going to cover up a lot of that. So it's just, I love the layers. And it's just a very easy and simple way to use your snippets. So please let me know down below if you like this video, if it was helpful, and if you're going to try to make one. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.